Look around your world today. What do you see? You see factories, office buildings, stadiums, healthcare facilities, solar fields. You see the components of production, of energy, of wellness, of lives. Now look closer. What else do you see? You see McNaughton McKay Electric Company. McNaughton McKay is more than an electrical distributor. Since 1910, we've supported your businesses and industries with the electrical and automation solutions you depend on the most. We tailor industrial, commercial, construction, and renewable solutions for the automotive, chemical, food and beverage, life sciences, material handling, metals and mining, OEM, oil and gas, water and wastewater industries. Whether you need pipe and wire or complex automation control systems, we offer the products, services, and solutions that solve big problems and small ones. Whether you are an electrical contractor or a large-scale manufacturer, you can expect the same attention to detail. Our focus isn't just on selling products, it's on creating long-term value for you and your community. McNaughton McKay Electric Company is your electrical connection.